Welcome to TBK Career Point. So here is an opportunity system development engineer, Hyderabad location, Amazon company. So job description complete గా ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేశారు. Please go through it. Amazon comprised of business, product, operational, program, software engineering and data teams that manage the life of a returned or damaged product from a customer to the warehouse onto its next best use. So complete description ఇచ్చారు. Amazon is yet most customer-centric company, and through WWR&R, the Earth is our customer too. So we are open to hiring candidates to work out following locations: Hyderabad location, basic knowledge. So C, C++, Java or Python. Any one language is enough. Preferred qualifications, so proficiency in Python. So current freshers, you can apply for it. So and share to your friends also. Link is provided in the description box.